All right guys, in this module, we want to talk about replacing a cabin filter. First thing we need to do is be safe. What I need you to do is make sure that the truck is in a park so it doesn't roll. And then what we're gonna do is where to step on the truck so you can replace the cabin filter. First thing you need to do is get onto the rim. You can put one foot up here and grab the rain tray, pull yourself up, stay on the tire. And then right behind me, there's usually a good part of the frame that you put your foot to keep yourself stable so you don't fall. For this job, you're gonna need a T30 torque bit. I have one on a drill, which you guys can keep in the cabin. If not, a tool with, it's usually a mechanical tool that you can keep in your truck. There's 2 screws. You would take it off. You're gonna remove the cover. Once you remove the cover, there's a tray right down inside. It literally says cabin air filter, and you're gonna pull. It's very easy. Once you pull it out, look at the condition. As you can see, this one's dirty. When you put the new one in, there's an arrow. The arrow should be pointing towards the cab. You would slide it back in, push the tray back in, and then put the cover, 2 bolts back together, less than 5 minutes, you just saved a whole bunch of money. All right guys, hopefully that this tip for this module was helpful. This will save you a whole bunch of money. I'll see you at the next module.